Hello बच्चों, the question says here if for the gas R by CV is equal to 0.67, this gas is made up of the molecules which are option A diatomic, option B mixture of a diatomic polyatomic molecule, option C monoatomic, and option D polyatomic molecules. For this you need to understand the key concept. हमें यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में R by CV का रेशियो दिया है. The key concept is the monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecule, the degree of freedom relation with the CV, degree of freedom relation with the CV and R, degree of freedom that is F. फ्रॉम दिस डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम हम यहाँ पे समझ सकते हैं कि इसका डायटोमिक है कि मोनोएटॉमिक है या पॉलीएटॉमिक है. फॉर दिस यू नीड दिस CV इज इक्वल टू F by 2 into R. This relation is where आपको CV और F and 2 F by 2 and R is here, F is the degree of freedom. ओके तो आपका पास जो रिलेशन गिवन है R बाई CV का, इसे हम रीअरेंज करने के बाद 0.67 है. यू कैन राइट इट एज अ 2/3. R by CV is equal to 2/3, but you need it in term of CV, so CV is equal to 3/2R. On comparing this with the above standard relation, on comparing F is equal to degree of freedom is equal to 2, and degree of freedom 2 indicates that F is a degree of freedom, where F is a, I am writing here, F is a degree of freedom, already written here, degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is हमें मिला है यहाँ पे 3. degree of freedom is not 2 here, degree of freedom is 3. See, on comparing this F here and here is also, you got a F2 as it is, so degree of freedom you got here 3. So 3 degree of freedom is for the monoatomic gas. यहाँ पे अगर 5/2 होता तो it will be diatomic, क्योंकि degree of freedom for the diatomic is 5. So monoatomic gas का degree of freedom 3 होता है. On comparing you got, because the degree of freedom is 3. On comparing हमें इस relation को CV you got R, you got R 2 as it is, F is 3. तो 3 degree of freedom diatomic के लिए होता है. Sorry, not for diatomic, it is for the monoatomic. It is for the monoatomic gas, not diatomic. The correct choice is here option C. The monoatomic is the correct choice. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.